Hey guys, what is going on and welcome back to the channel. So I actually have a video here that you guys are about to see, but before we get started with the video, this is really embarrassing, but a freaking piece of food or something was on my lip while I was talking during that whole way of this video. So I just realized this. I guess I didn't see it while I was recording. It's pretty embarrassing, but I don't feel like re-recording this entire video because I know this is a popular video and I just don't feel like re-recording it. So this little piece of food on my lip might bother some of you guys, but I hope you guys can forgive me. It doesn't really happen too often. So here's the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the American Express airline fee credit hack that you guys can still do. So we're going to be talking about the airline fee credits that still work and the ones that don't, that you guys should avoid unless you guys want to lose out on money. So let's get straight into the video. There's basically a handful of cards: the American Express Gold, the American Express Platinum, the Business Platinum, and then the Hilton Aspire card, which gives you this airline fee credit. Now originally this airline fee credit is meant for like foods and drinks and like checked in bags that give you a fee, but most of the time people can't actually use this credit. American Express likes to make it a little difficult to use just so you know people aren't running through these credits, but there is a way around it that still works for everyone, or a lot of people, but you guys need to make sure that you do it exactly this way that I mentioned later on in the videos. So to begin this, you guys just need to select a primary airline that you guys want to work with. So if you guys log into your American Express account, you'll be able to see that there's a list of airlines. The two that you want to consider is Delta and Southwest. Now previously American Airlines used to work. They actually took it off and now they're coded as a gift card, which is not part of the airline fee credit. So what is going on now is that there's Delta, there's Southwest, and if you want to get your credit back, you need to stick with those two. A lot of people ask me, does United work? Does United have gift cards? They do not have gift cards, so it's literally impossible to do it with them. But if you do fly a lot with them, don't do this gift card hack. Just actually use your card regularly and they're going to reimburse you for whatever you use on a United airline. Now, American Airlines actually used to work back in the day, but this recent update, I think it came out like beginning of 2019. This is where they just kind of cut it out. Delta and Southwest still work. So this is what you guys want to do for those. Whenever you do this, make sure you go on a desktop. Do not do it on your phone. A lot of people who do it on their phone end up not getting the credit for it. So if you guys actually do this on your computer, you're gonna have a better chance of doing it. I always recommend just opening up Safari or Firefox too, just in case. But what you guys wanna do after that is select the primary airline you wanna go with. I personally choose Delta, but because I did Delta last year on my gold card and you get $100 every calendar year, I'm actually gonna do a different airline this year just because I'm not devoted to one airline and I wanna have gift cards for either one. So if I do go flying, then I just have the option to choose different airline carriers. So this year I'm actually going to go with Southwest. I'm not going to go with Delta. With Southwest, you can actually go with $100 increments, and I always do a virtual gift card. I don't do a physical gift card. I don't want to have to worry about, you know, looking in the mail and making sure I don't lose that gift card. If you guys do an virtual gift card, it's sent to your email box. You just have to remember the code. You can copy and paste that into the notes section of your phone. There's just a ton of ways to save this and not have to worry about losing it. So I recommend doing a virtual gift card. If you guys are doing Southwest like I am this year, what you guys can do is do $100 increments. If you have the Business Platinum or the Platinum card or even the Hilton Aspire card, you get a $200 airline fee credit. So what you guys can do is if you have the Platinum card and the Aspire card and the Gold card, you can actually get $200 and then another $200 and then another $100, which is $500 right there every year back in straight cash gift cards. So if you guys actually get the gift card, this is something I want to mention. There are a ton of websites where you can cash them out and sell them. So sometimes they'll take like a 5, 10, even like a 15% fee. I remember when I made the first video on the airline fee credit hack, everyone was selling it on Cardpool, and that's like the website that I mentioned. I never got any affiliate link or anything with them. I literally just mentioned my video, and I saw that there were so many of these airline cards for like American and Delta that they actually decreased the valuation of it. So they were paying out people less for it because I think too many people just saw that video and just was trying to sell it immediately. So I recommend you guys to look into other websites because there are a ton of websites where you can flip these cards in cash. There's another option. If you guys join our Facebook group, there are a ton of people that actually fly and use these things. So maybe you could sell it to them for a cheaper price and they'll buy it off of you. That's one way I recommend. Or get into like a travel flyers group, any type of Facebook group which just gives you this opportunity to meet other frequent flyers, and maybe you could flip your card to them. But if you're someone who's interested in doing the Delta, I didn't forget about the Delta card. You guys want to do $50 increments. You don't want to increase it. You want to do $50 and then just increase the quantity of that gift card. So if you have the business platinum card with a $200 airline credit, then what you can do is do that 4 times. Now, you're going to have a ton of gift cards for that, and you can actually only put a certain amount when you're actually checking out. So you want to do a lot of shorter domestic flights when you're using these gift cards so you guys can actually use up all of them. Now, like I said, American, no go. Don't do that. Delta, Southwest are your surefire ways to actually get this credit back. I'll leave it up to you guys what you do with it, but let me know down below in the comments just any data points that you guys have regarding this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if it helped you out, make sure you drop a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
「見ていたはずの夢はいつも思い出せない」「そういうことが